In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to unblock emails in Outlook. We'll start by opening your browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook, then click the official Outlook website to open Outlook on the web. Once you're in your mailbox, go to your inbox so we can see what's currently coming in. To frame unblocking, let's quickly show how blocking works. Select the message, click the three dots, choose Block, confirm block, then select OK. Now, let's undo that and bring the sender back. Look to the top right of Outlook and click the gear icon to open Settings. In the panel that appears, choose Mail, then select Junk Email. This is where Outlook manages safe senders, blocked senders, and domains. If your settings pane opens in a sidebar, keep it open. If it expands to a full page, you'll see the same options listed down the left side, so the path is identical. Under Senders, open Blocked Senders and Domains. You'll see a list of addresses and domains that are currently blocked. Find the sender you want to restore, and click the trash bin icon next to their entry to remove it. Then click Save to apply the change. If you notice multiple entries for the same sender or domain, remove each one to fully unblock them. After unblocking, future emails from that sender should arrive in your inbox instead of junk. If you don't see new messages immediately, give it a moment or ask the sender to try again. Unblocking doesn't move old messages, it simply stops Outlook from filtering new ones from that address. Some organizations also apply admin or company-wide policies, so if messages still don't arrive after unblocking, there may be additional filtering happening outside your mailbox. If you previously blocked an entire domain, removing that domain will allow all addresses from it to come through. Interface labels can change slightly over time, but the path is the same. Settings, Mail, Junk Email, Blocked Senders and Domains, Remove, and Save. It's a good idea to double-check that save step before closing the panel so your change sticks. That's all you need to do to unblock emails in Outlook on the web. You opened Outlook, saw how blocking works, went into Settings, navigated to Junk Email, removed the sender from Blocked Senders and Domains, and saved your changes. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you keep the right messages flowing to your inbox.